Welcome to another webinar presented by the Houston Independent School District Family and Community Engagement Department, also known as FACE. We are so glad you're listening in to learn more on how to build relationships with schools. My name is Tenise Blackman, and I'm a coordinator too here in the Family and Community Engagement Department. It's my pleasure to be sharing with you today. Our department is dedicated to building intentional partnerships to advance student achievement by promoting a welcoming environment, honoring families, and linking activities to learning. The Family and Community Engagement Department, also known as FACE, promises to help schools, families, and communities build positive and trusting relationships. We promise to be responsive to our family and school needs, and we promise to share knowledge and resources to help set you up for success. This is why the Family and Community Engagement Department serves in schools. Whether your FACE team at your campus is providing workshops, supporting parent organizations, listening to concerns, or celebrating successes, we enjoy working with schools, communities, and families to build a brighter future for students. Now, let's jump into today's topic: how to build strong relationships with schools. Today, our goal is to answer two questions. One, what is the foundation of a strong relationship? And two, what can parent organizations do to help the school relationship be meaningful and last? Now, before we answer those questions, I have a question for you. It may feel random, but I promise I will make the connection. Here's the question: do you know what one of the most trusted jobs in the United States is? I'll pause for a minute to let you think about it. Did you guess nurses? If you did, you are correct. The Gallup poll and tons of articles share that nurses have been one of the most trusted jobs in the United States for 20 years. Now, that is a really long time. Now, let's think about our interaction with nurses. Often, when we meet a nurse, we may be meeting them for the first time. And as we engage with the nurse, we may not know much about them, but we trust and believe that our nurse has the best intentions for us. That is, they want to help us be well and have a healthy future. Now, just like nurses want us to have a healthy future, schools want to see your child's dreams come true, just like you. Trusting and believing that your school has the best interest of students is the foundation to a strong relationship. Trust is the foundation to building a positive relationship, and it helps to create positive connections and environments in schools. Trust allows a relationship to form and continue. As you form your relationship with schools, it is important to be brave during the process. It's important to discuss boundaries, be reliable and accountable, value the partnership, and ensure goals are aligned. B, for boundaries. When partnering with schools, it is understandable for both the school and parent organizations to set healthy boundaries. Schools may find it challenging to have partnership meetings during school instruction time, while parent organizations may not be able to meet after school due to their children's schedule. This can make partnership meetings challenging but doable. Consider having virtual meetings or having a firm set date and time to meet each month to make meeting times more predictable. Share the importance of having an agenda to honor one another's time, making sure all topics are noted. Emotional boundaries may be to ensure that everyone's diverse ideas and thoughts are shared and received with respect. Reliable. It is crucial to do what you say you are going to do to keep a trusting relationship. Parent organizations can be both large and small. They may have lots of fundraising dollars or just starting out. If you're a small parent organization, saying that you will be able to get volunteers to staff the school wide field day may be unrealistic. And it's okay to say no. Also, always remember that schools value and appreciate your support. So, that being said, don't get discouraged if the school is not able to say yes to something that the parent organization is passionate about. Both schools and parent organizations must be realistic in what they can do. Overpromising can lead to lack of trust or mixed feelings about a successful long term relationship. A, for being accountable. Being a part of a parent organization can be one of the most rewarding experiences that you will have at a school. You have the opportunity to work with new people, share your talents, and you're able to be part of providing a more positive environment and experience for both teachers and students. At the same time, being a part of a parent organization can be challenging. Planning events, scheduling meetings, recruiting, and or serving as an officer could be a new experience for you. It's okay to make mistakes. Admit you made the mistake and think of ways you can do things different in the future. Both schools and parents are lifelong learners. No one is perfect, and we can all learn and grow together. V for value. Think of the last time someone told you thank you or shared that they appreciated all the wonderful things you do. It feels great, doesn't it? Take the time to share with school staff that you appreciate them creating a welcoming environment for you and other families to partner. And lastly, ensure. Ensure that the parent organization goals are aligned with the school goals. When you meet with principals and school staff, learn what their vision is for the school year. Let them know that your goal is to support that vision and work together to come up with ideas and events to create wonderful school and staff experiences. For example, I remember being a part of a parent organization where we had three different principals in the time frame of about 4 to 5 years. Each principal was awesome, but each principal had their own ideas and vision for what was needed. As a parent organization, sometimes we had to change some of our events a little, or we were able to pull off more events, or sometimes less events, depending on what the school goals were for that year. Regardless of the changes, we still were able to positively work together and had a great relationship. So remember, trust is the foundation of a relationship, and being brave is important. Also, don't forget, relationships take time. Rarely do relationships happen overnight. Learning, working alongside one another, positively communicating, keeping a great attitude, and remembering that both parent organizations and schools have the best of intentions will result in a phenomenal school year. Go with the flow, be open and honest, be receptive to new and diverse ideas, and know that you got this. And guess what? The Family and Community Engagement Department is here to face student achievement right along with you. Scan the QR code to find the FACE specialist assigned to your campus. Thank you for all you do to support our campuses. Your hard work and dedication to enrich our students' education is greatly appreciated. The Family and Community Engagement Department is here to support you, and we look forward to working with you. As always, remember, you've got this.